Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading. Today it's January 7th, and we will have live trading session. Uh, Please use these web addresses to sign up for more live educational and trading webinars. And before you start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourself so there is a social Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And also have in mind that this year has been very, very good for trading, and that we have a lot of good trades so far. The account that I've been trading, this live FXDD account, is at record highs. And you can always follow it, of course, on myfxbook.com. Here I manage all these trades, and I actually follow it. I've been following it more than a year, and I am still uploading it. I mean, the original plan was to go for a full year, but I decided to leave it and show great results. So here is the account from 10,000 to 55,000. And guys, this here is, I always say, this is only from the risk from profit. So it never dropped below zero. So this drawdown here is from profits only. Okay, so it's at profits. The question that I'm seeing here is GBP dollar still a buy? Well, it is a buy, but I didn't buy it myself. We have opportunity to go long on the GBP dollar side, but you need to be careful. Actually, what I will just take a look here. Wait, just give me a few seconds. Gold is going up. Maybe we will have a position in gold, but GBP dollar, it's tricky. It can go up, yes, but your stop loss needs to be at 30.50. It should be at 30.50 if you want to go long on the gold. Basically, not 30.87, but 30.50. Here on FXDD account here, I didn't trade it because I don't have a clear signal here on 4-hour time frame. So today we had one GBP dollar trade that went nicely in profits. Then another GBP dollar trade, we shorted it and we also made profits. Now, as I say, it can go up, but let me check something. You see it's supported here. I don't know. Yeah, maybe we can go long. But then again, 30.50 should be stopped. I don't know. I'm a little bit afraid to pull the trigger here. But yeah, I mean, what I see here is longs on XAU USD. We have a long opportunity based on this. So you can see it here. Okay. And it could go up. And I have a long on XAU USD. Your stop loss should be below the lows. First target 1575, next target maybe 1590. So gold is bullish, but other than that, I think that we could easily see a drop in the GBP dollar overnight. I'm talking about overnight trades, okay? So I'm talking about overnight trades, not talking about intraday trades. On intraday time frame, it is at support. But as I said, if you want to be more secure, maybe 30.50 should be Ali should be your stop loss. Although we could actually see the move. I think that we have I will update here. So long opportunity on XAU USD. Here we have 15-minute time frame. So I bought also right now one more position, gold. It's Camarilla MACD sit my template. Okay. Put guys 0.5% of risk if you follow iron. It's very, very important to see this. Okay, it's 15-minute time frame. Stop loss is 1560 and target here is 1575 for this one. Okay, so yep, here we go. The trade is based on here 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, let's see. I mean, we might have a nice move to the upside. Again, it's risky. Gold is extremely volatile now. You need to know that. It's extremely volatile now. But I decided to go long. Yeah. Euro dollar. It's dropping because also GBP dollar is dropping. I have a signal here and I went long, but my stop loss is exactly at 1120. So we will see. If it goes up, great. If doesn't go up, then it will be in a boring range here. It will drop here in a boring range. And yeah, I mean, it will be definitely very hard to make another push towards 1240 because of, yeah, it shouldn't drop below 1150. If it drops below 1150, yeah, it's done. Uptrend is done. Yeah, this is why I trade gold. Gold is good. So longs on gold and longs on euro dollar. These are my positions that I'm running. And today, again, we had excellent results. Today we had a GBP dollar, 2 trades, very successful, 58 pips total. The only loss was the New Zealand dollar. But this week, basically, out of I'm reading here my report. Out of 9 trades, 8 were winners, only 1 losing trade. 8 winners, only 1 loss, guys. And this is the last trade for the day. If this trade gives me profits, then it would be great to end the day in good profits. But it will depend on gold, of course. Gold is, yeah, I have a faith in gold, of course. Let's see. I mean, who knows? I hope that, well, gold will proceed up. It's uptrend, but you never know. GBP dollar is rejecting right now. So, as I say, it could go up. On Camarilla MACD sit, it's still not, you see, it's how good this is, how it was respected. See, the Fibonacci expansion tool. It hit target price 2 to the pip, literally. Woo. And this target price 1. So maybe Ali, yeah, be careful with GBP dollar. If it goes up, I'm not sure that it will break this level because it already has a high here, a low here, and another lower high will be here. 3 lower highs if it goes there. So 31.51. This is it. Maybe the final target. But I'm very careful about this. Really, I'm not sure. You need to be careful too. Euro dollar is, I don't know. Euro dollar looks better to me. That is why I'm keeping this trade on euro dollar. Really. Gold. Gold is trying to push up. I hope that it will. This is also inverted head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder formation. And we have W here. It should go up. I hope that it will go up. Let's wait and see. But yeah, I mean, this is trading, guys. I mean, it's never 100%. You always need to have reserve. No matter how you think that the trade will be good, sometimes Yeah, it will sometimes not. Okay, now it's going up nicely. I hope that it will just proceed further up, but it needs to have a clear break above this level here towards daily highs 1575. Would be nice. Euro dollar also. If it gold goes up, I think euro dollar should go up too. I mean, those two markets have been in correlation most of the time. GBP dollar is trying to reject here, you see. It's in the channel literally. So for new long on the GBP dollar, this is what I'm waiting for, guys. 1, 2, 3. If I see this, wow, why not? We will go long. I mean, definitely. We will go long, definitely, guys, if I see this. 1, 2, 3. Again, if you risk, try to risk from profits. This is important, guys. Try to risk from profits. Do not put all of your risk into a single trade. And it's always best if you try to risk from profits only. You see, now we see some move in the GBP dollar. I don't know. It looks like it could go up. Oh, I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted, guys, to go long. But I don't know really. I wouldn't go long myself now just because I don't see a signal from my template. But it's there. I mean, sometimes it can happen that market goes here and then it makes direct spike. Sometimes these channels are also good buying spots if I don't wait for 1, 2, 3. But I like this 1, 2, 3. That is why I'm waiting for that. Yeah, I wouldn't go long. No, 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 no. I want to follow my plan and I don't want to go no matter what I think. I always am clear in my head. When I have the signal, I trade it. Not what I think, but rather what I see. So I'm not going to pull a trigger no matter what. I can only pull a trigger if the GBP dollar makes something like this. 1, 2, 3 above the channel. Then I will be making another long. But today I traded 2 times GBP dollar. I think it's enough. Let's give a chance to other markets as well. This gold will be the last trade. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So, yeah, Ali saying he closed GBP dollar with small profit. Good. I'm long on gold, so gold is a trade that I'm running. I also have euro dollar longs. We will see. I divided my trades into multiple positions. If the market goes as I plan, great. If it doesn't go as planned, well, what can we do? There is always another day. We need to be ready sometimes also to lose. But yeah, I mean, we are all speculating, right? Nothing is certain 100%. No worries, Ali. Yeah, just be careful with risks because now there is a big problem with US and Iran, and you need to be very careful when you take trades on assets that are directly correlated to both US and Iran, and it's oil, gold. The tensions are high. I hope that it won't escalate. It will be dangerous for all the world. So yeah, that is why we also see volatility in markets. It's connected. uh, Daniel is asking about GBP Australian dollar. Okay, GBP Australian dollar on this template, I don't see any signal. On Camarilla make this sit, very bullish, very, very bullish. 4 hour is bullish, 1 hour is bullish. I would go with longs on 15-minute time frames. Oh, this was the best forex pair to trade today. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so good. So yes, go long on dip, Daniel. If you ask me, I would go long on the dip, whatever the signal or the system you're using. But I think 1 to 3 somewhere here would be good. So if the market makes a move down, look for 1 to 3 close to the, I don't know, channel or something. Yeah, going long on the dips is scenario to go on the GBPAUD. It's very, very strong, much better than GBP dollar. Yeah. Ali saying, yeah, I would rather wait just for Camarilla make the trades you share and stop taking any discretionary trades my own. Yeah, I mean, you follow my webinars, you know the style, what I trade. So yes, guys, I mean, follow this, and definitely, if you are not sure what to trade, I'm there. I'm there. Follow my setups, and you will, as the time goes by, you will have, of course, more security with your own trades. But as I say, we might have some change in. This is interesting, guys. We had this range on the GBP dollar for so long time. See this range, and if I see that this range is again here in this rectangle, I don't care about 4-hour time frame trades, because the only trade that I have now with euro dollar is it is this one, 4-hour setup, and I don't like how it behaves. Nice bullish Marubozu candle. See this, very good, and previous high was taken out, and now it's dropping. So what does it mean? We had a range here. See this, triple, quadruple, 5-time top, 6-time top, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-time top, and we had a breakout. What for? What for? Peanuts. Okay, no. This really, I would be very disappointed if I see that euro dollar makes a close below 11.20. This will prove again that euro dollar is not the trade that I want to have in 2020. This is boring market. I don't like that. I don't like the range. I like trend. And if this was the breakout, false breakout, what? This can also be a false breakout. I don't care, really. We will see. My stop loss is at 11.20. If it hits stop loss, okay, I'm not looking at GBP dollar anymore, really. Yeah, thanks, Ali, for your comments. I really appreciate it. So this is it, guys. We are there. Wait and see what will happen. I will be here with you soon. Thank you for your questions. As I said, volatility is getting higher. If the GBP dollar closes below 30.50, then be ready to short rallies, guys. Below 30.50, it's short, okay? And if I see a daily close below 30.50, I'm going to short into rallies on the GBP dollar. That will be my decision. Of course, above 31, it is still bullish. Even above 30.50, but below 30.50, it's over with bulls. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that you enjoyed the webinar. We will see what will happen with gold. I wish you a great day, the rest of the day. And as always, cheers and trade safe.